Keeper, there you go. I kept calling them retainers. Thank you. Oh, no, I have to start over. I'm calling them retainers. Hi, my name is Jose Luqueño. Right now, what we're working on is this V6 engine off of a Chrysler Town & Country. What we're doing is removing all of the valves, the valve springs, retainers, and the keepers. So in order to do that, you need the valve spring compressor tool. So you can open it up. It looks like a really big C-clamp. On one end, you have just a flat piece. On the other end, you have this part, which actually has an opening, which is intended for the keepers to pop out of and actually fall out. So, just kind of show you the valve. So you're pressing up on the valve, and this piece is going to press down. It's going to compress the spring. When you lock it, you should get this. Now, once it closes, you can keep tightening this, and you'll notice that it starts to open up more. So one of the keepers fell out. That means it's open enough. I can drop the other one, and then just carefully open this. There's a lot of tension in there, so just careful not to let any pieces fly around. Once you've got it open, go ahead and catch the pieces that fall, and you've successfully removed the valve. So this ring fell out. You want to put that first, and then the spring would follow along with the retainer, and then the keeper.